In today's video, I'm going to show you the points and cut strategy. This is a scalping strategy that is mainly used in forex. The strategy I'm talking about uses the Bollinger Bands, the ADX, and the RSI. It is worth mentioning that this strategy should be used only when there are no very sharp movements in the price. That is, we want the price to be as calm as possible. In my case, I will use the strategy on the euro-dollar on the 5-minute chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the Bollinger Bands. We will leave these bands with the parameters that come by default. Then we will select the ADX. We will also leave this indicator with the default parameters, but we will change the ADX line to white, and we will deactivate these two lines. We will also change the trend level to 30. Finally, we will select the RSI indicator. This indicator, we will put it with a parameter of 7, and we will deactivate the moving average. To carry out a buy operation, as we said at the beginning of the video, we must wait until the price is not in a very volatile situation. We will then wait for the price to break below the Bollinger Bands, and the RSI and the ADX line are below 30. If this is true, we will wait for the price to touch the Bollinger Bands again to carry out the buy operation. Once we make the trade, we will place our stop loss at the last low, and our take profit when the price touches the moving average of the Bollinger Bands. To carry out a sell operation, we will wait until the price is not in a very volatile situation. We will then wait for the price to break above the Bollinger Bands, and the RSI is above 70, and the ADX is below 30. If this is true, we will wait for the price to touch the Bollinger Bands again to carry out the sell operation. Once we make the operation, we will place our stop at the last high and our take profit when the price touches the moving average of the Bollinger Bands. Let's see some more examples. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.